In the headlines today, a turn of events as the gavel falls on the high-profile case involving journalist Jackie Maribe. Acquitted, she walks away from charges that have shadowed her for over half a decade, following the murder of Monica Kimani. Chronologically tracing the footsteps of this saga, we find ourselves back in the year 2018. A year that witnessed a tragedy as the life of Monica Kimani was abruptly ended. This gruesome event triggered a chain of investigations and trials that would span over 5 long years. In the center of this storm was Jackie Maribe, a journalist, who found herself as the second accused in this grim case. The prosecution, confident in their pursuit, presented a formidable lineup of 35 witnesses. But as the old adage goes, it's not about the quantity, but the quality. The defense, on the other hand, chose a different strategy, a silent one. They didn't call upon any witness. Yet, their case was not one of silence, but one of rebuttal and challenge. They questioned the charge against Maribe, arguing that it was not the appropriate one. The judge, Justice Grace Nzioka, reviewed the case with an eagle's eye. She agreed with the defense, stating that the charge against Maribe was not the correct one. The prosecution, despite their efforts, had failed to provide enough evidence to find Maribe guilty of the murder. However, the first accused, known as Jowie, was not as fortunate. The judge concluded that he had knowledge of Monica Kimani before her death, implicating him as the perpetrator. And so, after years of trial and tribulation, Jackie Maribe has been acquitted. The lack of evidence and an improper charge have led her away from the shadows of accusation and into the light of acquittal. In summary, the key points of this case revolve around the prosecution's failure to provide sufficient evidence against Maribe, the improper charge filed against her, and the acquittal that followed. On the other hand, the first accused, Jowie, remains implicated due to his prior knowledge of the victim. This case serves as a reminder of the importance of due process, of the necessity for robust evidence, and of the value of an active defense. It's a story of justice, of acquittal, and of a life that will forever be remembered. This is the world we live in, where every day is a chance for justice to be served, for truth to be revealed, and for stories to be told. Stay tuned, stay informed,